So with that, you guys, look how fancy it is. Now I have a piece of technology. Now I could go and hang out with the cool kids. So with that, we're gonna see what this new technology smartwatch for Android and iOS from the Wish app has to offer, you guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is KJFJ signing in. I highly appreciate every single one of you guys returning back to the channel. With that said, you guys are beautiful and amazing. Alright guys, today I'm actually back with a new app review. So this app here, it is called Wish. It is not like making a birthday wish, you guys. So with that, it is an app actually called Wish. Let me show it to you guys real quick. So there you go. That was the Wish app logo. Once you click on it, it's gonna give you all these pretty cool stuff. So the budget of this Wish app is actually cheap. You're not gonna expend so much money on stuff. I am here today with a product review as well. So what I have here, I have purchased something from the Wish app. And by the way, you can't go wrong with this watch just actually costing $15 on the Wish app, and we're gonna see what could it do. This app is actually real. This is a smartwatch. So since I have this boring watch, it is fancy but boring because it doesn't have no type of new technology. And you know what I want to do? I want to feel upgraded. I want to feel so cool just having a smartwatch in my wrist, something that could talk to me. I don't even know if this could talk to me whatsoever. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the unboxing on this smartwatch from the Wish app, and we're gonna see if it actually works. And with that, first of all, how long did it take me to receive this watch? Once you place your order, you're gonna wait. The longest you're gonna wait is about more than a month or so. But the fact is that you are gonna receive it, but you're not gonna receive it like any other packages that you order from UPS, Amazon, On Track, whatsoever. It is gonna take forever for you to receive this packet. Another downfall on the Wish app is that I had ordered a black one and a white one came. So remember, Wish is gonna do whatever it wants, send it whenever it wants, it's gonna arrive whenever it wants. So another thing was they have sent me a gift, but the gift didn't arrive. I do not know why, but the fact is that I'm gonna just still continue to wait on that gift. So with that, we're gonna see what this new technology smartwatch for Android and iOS from the Wish app has to offer, you guys. So with that, let's do the unboxing. Wow. So I finally opened the box and it smells like China or Japan or Korea. I don't know where that air is coming from, but hopefully that air does not have no COVID inside. But anyways, let me show you what it comes with. We are moving on with this unboxing. So it comes with instructions on how to use a smartwatch. Wow, it ripped already? That's crazy. Anyways, it comes in Korean, translated in English. It comes with the USB micro port. The USB should be to transfer files or charger, I suggest. So with that, and we're finally to the end of the box, and the main event of this video is the smartwatch. So it comes wrapped in a nice little plastic, so that's pretty dope. It is right here in my hand. So now there is one thing to do, is actually power this bad boy on, and hopefully it works because I haven't tried it yet, but we are gonna turn it on together. Wow, nice. Alright, so we already finally turned it on. So the Wish app, it is not lying. Their products actually work. I'm so excited. I'm so going crazy and nuts because I really thought this wasn't not gonna work. I really thought the Wish app was fake. But you know what? Like, check this out. It is right here in my hands, and it is a color white. So I am gonna remove this expensive watch that is right here just for luxury, but has no type of technology. Let's check this out. This is my old watch. We are going out with the old, even though it's really expensive. We are going in with the new smartwatch. So with that, you guys, look how fancy it is. Now I have a piece of technology in my wrist, you guys. So now I feel updated. Now I could go and hang out with the cool kids. So with that, you guys, if you guys have a smartwatch, you guys could count me in because I already have mine too. With that, you guys, look, check this out. We are gonna go and do an overview on this smartwatch and to see if the $15 from the Wish app that it's actually asking for, it's worth it. So with that, you guys, look, let's go and let's check this bad boy out and let's see what it has to offer. There goes one downfall. Doesn't talk back. It is $15. Don't forget, it is not like $200, $500 watch. So with that, I see there's nobody responding. So with that, you guys, what I'm gonna do next is gonna show you guys the apps and the nice little other things that it comes with and it does. With that, I'm gonna get the camera on the watch and we're gonna look at the apps together. Alright guys, so it is finally here. This is a smartwatch for Android. It is compatible with the iOS as well. So first of all, let's check out the product of the watch. It is hard resistant plastic, which is pretty cool. It has a speaker in the side. It actually looks like it comes with a camera as well. This is the power button on, and it doesn't have any buttons on the side. So with that, we're gonna power it on. So as we open up the smartwatch, you guys could see it has the wrong time, and it comes with the contact app, and it comes with the phone dialer, as you guys could see. Remember, this smartwatch is compatible with the SD card and actually with your SIM card if you take it to your provider. So they could actually activate it. So we are going on to the next page. It actually comes with the Bluetooth, it comes with the alarm, the watch, and it comes with the anti-loss, so if they steal it, and it comes with a Bluetooth dialer right here, as you guys can see. It is kind of blurry due to my lighting, but the fact is that you are able to see what's going on. So it actually comes with the Bluetooth music, call log, camera, and calendar. So the camera is actually on, but due to my lighting, obviously I have the lighting in front of me. That's what you're actually looking at. My lighting actually works, looks pretty cool. And it has a calendar. So with that, we're going on to the next one. It has file manager. We're moving on to the next one. It has a pedo. So the pedo actually is how many steps and laps you want to run and steps you have taken in throughout the day. And then I have a remote access for the camera, and I have a profile and the settings, you guys. So with that, we move on to the next page, and we have the sleep motion monitor, so you can sleep, see how you're sleeping, the sound recorder, and the web browser, and the audio player. So those are pretty nice little gadgets that we have in the app. Obviously Facebook, as you guys can see it right here, Facebook's everywhere, you guys. Twitter's everywhere, and the QR code readers everywhere, and the WhatsApp is everywhere. So all this is social media related. All these apps are everywhere. Anything you buy, they have them. And this is right here, it's a reminder of to do whatsoever, and it comes with a famous calculator. So with that, that's pretty much the apps that it comes with, which it is pretty dope. Just for $15, can't go wrong. So now what we are gonna do, you guys, I want to show you guys the inside of it. So with that, we're gonna remove the case from the back. This is a 3.7 volt battery, so it's pretty have a small voltage. We're gonna remove the battery. This is what it looks like, and this is what I'm talking about. So this right here is SIM card and SD card compatible, you guys. So you guys want to activate this smartwatch, and with that, there goes the SIM card right here and the SD card right here. So for $15, pretty dope, as you see. So now we're gonna turn it off, and look what it says. Powering off. Yes. Says goodbye. So with that, you guys, that's all the apps that it comes with. So for $15, can't go wrong. Nice little plastic, pretty colorful. I'm gonna activate it soon. So with that, I'll show you guys how long does it last me. It is not water resistant, so do not jump in the water if you purchase one of these. So anyways, I'll see you guys back in the setup. Alright, you guys, so there you go. That was the review on this smartwatch. So you guys seen all the gadgets and all the cool stuff that it has and it comes with. Don't forget that it is Bluetooth compatible. You actually need an app as well from Google Play to actually connect the smartwatch to your phone to receive and transfer your files and media whatsoever. It is a pretty cool gadget to have just for less than $15. Now as I went back to the Wish app, now it's around $10.90. So with that, don't miss out on this opportunity on going purchasing your smartwatch so you can feel cool as well, you guys, and don't spend so much money on a smartwatch. So with that, we should already know that the Wish app is actually real, but you're not going to receive your products right on time. But it's okay, be patient. Life is about being patient either way. So with that, that's pretty much it for today, you guys. So with that, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Do not forget to catch up on the rest of my videos. I highly appreciate the support. Thank you so much. And with that, I'll be back tomorrow with a new awesome video. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And with that, you guys already know what time it is with my new watch. This is Kid Jeff J signing out. Until the next time. Smartwatch by the Wish app. Android.